Hey everyone, welcome back to MrClimp. Today we're diving into an exciting cybersecurity lab focused on Redis, an in-memory database. We'll be learning how to enumerate a Redis server and dump its database to retrieve a flag. This is an essential skill for anyone interested in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Before we get started, let's briefly discuss what Redis is. Redis stands for Remote Dictionary Server and is an open source advanced NoSQL key value data store used as a database, cache, and message broker. Unlike traditional databases that store data on disk, Redis stores data in the RAM, making it incredibly fast for data retrieval. Click on Connect to HTTP and then download your unique OpenVPN configuration file. Now that you have OpenVPN configuration file downloaded, let's connect to Hack the Box. Navigate to the directory where you downloaded the OpenVPN configuration file. Use the following command to start the connection. Replace your underscore config underscore file with the actual name of your downloaded configuration file. Once connected, you should see a series of messages indicating that the connection has been established. To verify the connection, you can check your network interfaces or simply try to ping one of the Hack the Box machines. Alright, let's dive into our lab. We'll start by verifying our connection to the target machine. For this, we'll use the ping command. We'll ping the target machine to ensure it's reachable. Next, we'll perform a preliminary scan using Nmap to identify any open ports and services running on the target machine. Let's run Nmap with the service version detection switch. As we can see, port 6379 is open and running a Redis server. Which TCP port is open on the machine? Which service is running on the port that is open on the machine? What type of database is Redis? Choose from the following options. I. In-memory database. 2. Traditional database. Which command line utility is used to interact with the Redis server? Enter the program name you would enter into the terminal without any arguments. To interact with the Redis server, we need to install the redis-cli utility. This tool allows us to communicate with the Redis service. Run the following command to install redis-cli. Now that we have redis-cli installed, let's connect to the Redis server. Use the following command to connect to the Redis server on our target machine. If the connection is successful, you should see a Redis prompt. Once connected, we can start enumerating the Redis server. First, let's get some basic information about the server using the info command. Run the following command to get detailed information about the Redis server. This command returns a lot of information. For now, we'll focus on the keyspace section. In our case, we have one database with index 0. Let's select this database and list all the keys. Use the select command to choose the database and the keys asterisk command to list all keys. Now we can retrieve the value of a specific key using the get command. Finally, let's retrieve the flag from the database. Use the following command to get the value of the flag key. And there it is. We've successfully retrieved the flag from the Redis database. Which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the host name? Once connected to a Redis server, which command is used to obtain the information and statistics about the Redis server? What is the version of the Redis server being used on the target machine? Which command is used to select the desired database in Redis? How many keys are present inside the database with index 0? Which command is used to obtain all the keys in a database? Submit root flag. That's it for today's lab on Redis Enumeration. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MrClimp for more cybersecurity content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and happy hacking.